Today I'm going to show you Cian. This is an amazing project located in the community of Del Mar, located in El Tezal, and stick around because at the end I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know about these condominiums. Let's go! What I do love about these condominiums is the starting price start at $420,000 and is all of them 3 bedrooms, and it comes with 2 parking space covered, also with a storage unit, so you will have a space to keep all your belongings, and also it comes with a beautiful carpentry with the air conditioner and a few appliances more. Talking about the beautiful amenities, well, we will have 2 different pools, a big beautiful pools, 2 gyms, we will have actually pickleball, paddle, we will have actually park for pets and also for kids, and it's completely secure because we will have 24/7 security guard. Talking about the Del Mar community, well, an amazing part is we will have all the street paved and also with lights. And we will have near the Huerto restaurant, Del Mar School, which is next door. We will have Costco, we will have the country club for golf, and the majority of these communities we will have ocean view, and we are near to Costco, Walmart, the main road, which is the Transpeninsula Avenue, and you will love this community. And if you love the way this condominium is decorated and furnished, let me know because I'm gonna give you the contact for you to have all the pricing for the furniture package or whatever you need, okay? As I always say, thank you very much for watching all of my video, and I will see you next time. And if you have any question, please let me know and I will help you with that also, okay? See you in the next video. Today I'm going to show you Cian. No, I f***ed up. Today I'm going to show you Cian, an amazing project located in El Tezal. Olvídalo, forget it. Today I'm going to show you the amazing project named Cian. No, I lost the line. What I do like about this project is all the condominiums are 3 bedrooms and include 2 parking spots per condominium, okay? Also, they have an amazing, oh fuck, my phone is starting. And if you love, no, pardon. And thank you for watching all of my video, and I just forgot.